In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a free course all about affiliate marketing and show you how you can go from zero to $10,000 a month in 90 days as a complete beginner. Now, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing every single year since 2019, and I haven't really seen many people use my strategy. So today, I'm going to share it. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and the different ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing without a website, without spending money on ads, and without relying on Google or Pinterest. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what affiliate marketing is, the top 3 individual methods to make money with it, and a clear action plan on how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month. So to stay updated just on all things affiliate marketing, be sure to subscribe to my channel and join my free newsletter because that's where I keep everyone up to date on new strategies and affiliate opportunities. All right, so you guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, and the first question is, what is affiliate marketing? So let's say you bought a coffee maker and you really like it and you end up telling your friend about it. And if they go to the store and buy it, you don't make any money from that. The only thing you get is a, hey, thanks for telling me about this coffee maker. I love it. But with affiliate marketing, you can actually go online, get a referral link for, say, the coffee maker you want. Let's use Amazon, for example. You get your referral link, and if you want to tell your friend about the coffee maker, you send her your referral link, and then just casually talk about it like you would normally and say, talk about how you love this new coffee maker you got her. If your friend goes and clicks on that coffee maker and makes a purchase, you get a commission. And because you caused her to go online and buy that specific coffee maker. That is what affiliate marketing is. It's when you refer different products and services to people using your unique referral link. If they make a purchase, you earn a commission. And the more people that buy from your referral, the more money you make. And I'm gonna break those strategies down in a second. Well, let's talk about the 3 steps you need to make money with affiliate marketing. Step 1 is you need to learn how to get traffic. You can't rely on friends and family to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Now, in fact, I never do. I never from the start depend on my friends or family because that's just not right. That you can't build a business off of friends and family. Step 2, finding a product or service to promote. Now, this is not as hard as it may seem, but it's all about just a strategy. And I'm going to talk about different ways you can learn how to find out different affiliate programs. Step 3 is how to get people to click on your link. The first thing is stop telling people what you're promoting. Now, I'm going to show you an example in this video, and I want to see if you can catch where I'm actually taking advantage of an affiliate opportunity to get you to click. Let me know in the comment section if you caught it. Okay, so the first effective method to make money with affiliate marketing, where you're going to make more than the typical platforms, is Instagram. Now, out of the 2 platforms that I'm going to mention today, this one may take you the longest, but there are people who just love Instagram, so I want to make sure I actually mention this. So step 1 is to choose a niche where people are already spending money. Affiliate marketing works best when you're promoting something that people are already buying. Think about it. People spend money on hobbies, they invest in making more money, they want to learn how to make more money, and they care about improving their health and relationships. So if you can recommend a product or a service that helps them in any of those areas, they're much more likely to buy. And these influencers that you see posting their outfits, they're not just doing that out of the kindness of their hearts. They're actually linking where they're buying these clothes from. And every time you click on that link and make a purchase, they're getting paid for it. And it's not just fashion that this works for. Fitness, gym clothes, workout plans, supplements, travel niche, hotels, travel gear, luggage, food, kitchen gadgets, meal delivery services. These are all things you can promote and make money from with affiliate marketing. Now, step 2, you have to make affiliate links easy to access if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. So for example, on Instagram, you're going to see people say comment the word link to get the details. That's an automation tool called ManyChat. When someone comments, the affiliate link is automatically sent to their DMs, making it super easy for users to click and buy. Now, I personally use this tool and it's very affordable and can help you make a lot of money with less effort. Step 3 is to find out what works and model it. So instead of just guessing what to post, study what's already working. We have the advantage to see what types of reels are getting a lot of views or what types of posts are getting a lot of engagement. So study what works. Find Instagram creators in your niche, look at their most popular posts and see what affiliate products that they're promoting. And if it's an affiliate product because these people aren't making these products. It's not their own product, so it must be an affiliate product. And that's a clue to use that, they are promoting this. Let me see if they have an affiliate program. And an easy way to see if a company has an affiliate program is just to type in the affiliate program on Google, add the plus mark right there, and then say affiliate program. And if it's usually the top 2 search results where you're going to find a search result that's going to talk about if they have an affiliate program or not. If they do, that's where you can go and apply and get started. Step 4, you can use Instagram theme pages if you don't want to show your face. And a lot of people are making thousands of dollars with this. Now, a theme page is an Instagram account focused on a specific niche without you being the face. So for example, let's say you create a page about skiing. You find viral ski videos from other creators. You download it using one of these free download websites, but don't click on any of those ads. It's just all spam. But this is an example of me doing one for mine. Go to Canva, edit the video slightly just to make it your own a bit, repost it, but you always give the credit to the original creator. And in the caption or bio, you can say things like, you want a list of the best ski gear for your next trip? Comment the word gear using something like MiniChat. Now, to make money, you sign up for affiliate programs that sell ski equipment. Just Google ski equipment plus affiliate program. You're going to find a ton of different affiliate programs for ski equipment. Now, by consistently posting ski content, you're going to build an audience of people who love skiing. And if you recommend a new piece of gear or something like that, people will buy through your link. Now, the key to making good money is just choosing products that have a decent price tag. So you don't need a ton of sales to make a decent amount of money. You want to look for products that are already in demand and solve a real problem. But here's the truth, guys. It takes work. You have to post consistently. You have to research trends. You have to engage with your followers. And if that's your thing, that's great then, you know? This can be a powerful way to make thousands of dollars a month. But if you'd rather focus on less time-consuming strategies that still pay well, I do have some better options for you. Like TikTok. Say what you want. TikTok is still a booming platform. It's a gold mine for affiliate marketing, especially with TikTok Shop. Now, this feature lets you sign up as an affiliate, find products to promote, and earn a commission when people buy through your link. And yes, people are making serious money with this. For example, one creator made $3,100 in just 1 hour because one of his videos went viral. And here is a quick snippet of his video.
Stuff is incredible, and they just launched on the TikTok shop and they're running a deal, so you can click this link and get yours today. A caffeinated protein milk. Let's test it out. This is strawberry, 90 calories, 20 grams of protein, and 60 milligrams of caffeine.
Now, isn't that something you can do? That is nothing special at all. Now, is every video you're gonna post go viral? No. But the more you post and understand how TikTok works, the better your chances of getting traction. Now, if you wanna make money on TikTok with affiliate marketing, here's the formula that works. You wanna find trending or unique products. The best-selling products on TikTok are often things that people haven't seen before or like impulse purchases, like the caffeinated milk. You would never buy that at a grocery store. Now, you want to use tools to find up-and-coming unique products with low competition. Now, this is the tool that most TikTokers use because you not only get to find out what are upcoming products to choose from, you also get to see the videos of creators that are posting about that product, and you can see how well they did just based off of the views. So you already have like a proven roadmap to say, okay, this product is up and coming. These type of videos do really well. Let me get this and do a similar video because that's exactly what this creator does, and that's how his video went viral. And I have a 10% discount for this tool. So if you guys want to try this, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. So if you see something you want to promote, just buy one thing of it and create content around it based off what you see is already working. And when people see your post, the product is posted right on the video so they can easily click and make a purchase. TikTok is one of the largest platforms where people just like to impulse buy, and they are doing it all the time. So to get started, you want to sign up for TikTok Shop. And once you get accepted, then you can also have access to the affiliate section where you can pick products and promote what's in TikTok Shop. Now, some people have said that you need to have like 5,000 followers to get approved. But when I signed up, I got approved within a few hours, and I only have 171 followers. But don't make the same mistake that I did, because when I was signing up, I put my business information in there and I put my name as the business, but my actual business is Tried and True Mom Jobs. So they actually sent me an email like a day later saying my shop has been closed because of inconsistent information. So I do have to fix that, but it only took me a couple hours to get approved. So if they do decline you because you don't have enough followers, do not stress about that. Just start documenting your journey on how you want to become a TikTok affiliate and just show people that what you're trying to do to grow your TikTok. You know, people who want the same thing are going to follow you, see how you're doing because they want to do the same thing. Now, the tricky part about TikTok is that to keep making money, you have to keep making videos. A viral video is great, but it will not last forever. And that means that you're going to have to keep creating content to drive more sales, which can feel like a never-ending cycle. So if you love creating short-form content and enjoy testing out trending products, then this strategy can be very profitable. But let me show you the platform I use, and I think it's the absolute best way to make money when it comes to affiliate marketing. So what if I told you there's a platform where you don't have to post every day, yet one video can keep making you money for years? You know, it sounds better than the content hamster wheel that these other platforms make you do, right? Well, that platform I'm talking about is YouTube. And I know that might not be what you want to hear, but let me show you why it's the best way to make money with affiliate marketing. Here is a real example of how much I've made from one video using affiliate marketing. Just one. Now, while other creators are pumping out 3 to 4 videos a day on TikTok or Instagram, I make one video a week, and it can keep paying me for years and years to come. So the strategy I use is I find out what people are actually searching for, and I create videos answering their questions. For example, if you search for how to make money selling printables on Etsy, guess whose video shows up first? It's mine. And when my video is the first thing people see, they click on it because it's what they're looking for. And I've used this exact method to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. So I help people by answering their questions, and in the process, I introduce them to a product and service that can also help solve their problem. For example, in that video, I showed them a course that can help them further than the 10-minute video explanation that I did showing them how to sell printables. Not everyone's gonna buy, but a lot of people are because it's what they're searching for. YouTube is a search engine that pays you. Unlike other platforms, YouTube is not just a social media site, it's a search engine. People are always searching for answers, and my videos are constantly getting views. I know how to get stuck in the search results, and I have so many videos there that the first thing that people are seeing, they're just naturally clicking on my videos. For example, if you search Instacart shopper review tutorial, a video I made 4 years ago, it's still ranking at the top. And get this, I never even drove for Instacart. I saw that people were searching for information on Instacart, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, and Ship. So I made videos on all of them. And I was honest in the video. I said I interviewed actual drivers to give them all the information they needed to see if this was right for them. Those videos have racked up hundreds of thousands of views and made me some serious money. And that's why I say anybody can do this. You do not need to be an expert. You just need to be resourceful. But I get it if you just don't want to start a YouTube channel, because I said the exact same thing until I met Nate O'Brien. When he told me he made $30,000 in 1 month just from ads, I'm like, where's my camera? Because I am not going to let my fears hold me back from staying home and raising my kids and having a flexible income source where I could do a video that takes me, 30 minutes, send to my editor, and then I'm done for the whole week and I'm making money and being able to stay home and raise my kids. Not any other platform can say that or do that. So how to get started? You pick a profitable niche. So personal finance, self-improvement, technology, or education are all great options with affiliate opportunities. You find competitors that are talking about the same thing that you want to talk about in that niche. And you see what kind of content they're creating. You look at the views. Are any of these videos doing well? And then you want to look at, are they promoting anything in the video? Could that be an affiliate opportunity? Because that is a guide for you to say like, oh, they're doing this. Maybe I can do it too. And then you can build your channel on something that you know is working for others so it can work for you. Once you find out this information, start posting a video once a week. The more you do, the better you get. And I've actually had several people reach out to me asking to do a boot camp to help walk them through step by step how this all works, and not another course that they're never going to finish. So I finally decided to do it. And if you guys want access to it, join the waitlist below, because it's something that's going to be able to actually help you step by step understanding what SEO is, how it works, how I get my videos stuck in the search results for years and make money consistently and passively. So if you guys want access to that, check it out in the description below. So did you catch it? Did you catch what I was talking about when I promoted an affiliate opportunity in this video? Whether you did or not, let me know in the comment section below, because I love to see who sticks around to the end of my videos. Now, to wrap this up, the way to go from $0 to $10,000 a month, it's all going to be about taking action. Choosing a platform, so which platform that I talked about are going to choose. Pick a niche, study your competitors in that niche to see what products are they promoting. Ask yourself, would I want to promote this? Look at the type of content that they're creating. Use only the content they're creating that's doing well. Put your own spin to it and post. That's the formula. That's how you get to $10,000 a month. Just rinse and repeat from there. Thank you guys for watching. And if you heard that Pinterest was a great way to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to watch this video. All right. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Check you out in the next one.